truth be told, I'm usually hiding behind the camera, so this whole thing, me like talking directly to you, this is kind of weird. What we're gonna do today is self-portraits. Alright, a couple things that we're going to want to have. You're gonna want to make sure you have one of these. It's just an air puffer, so you can blow off your lens. Here's my face. You're gonna want to have some gaff tape. You're gonna want your lens hood. Lens hood is on place. Air puffer. Blow off all those extra dust fragments. So, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get our camera framing and composition all set up. I'm shooting kind of into the sun. The idea is to have the self-portrait be backlit. The sun is coming from that direction. I'm actually gonna turn video on for this camera in vertical mode so you can see what the lens is seeing. Okay. So, gaff tape. We're gonna mark on our railing right here where I should stand. Alright, so both cameras should be standing right here. I expect I will do a pose something like this. I want a nice even light on my face. You can even look out, the sun is backlit. So, tape. I'm going to try and pre-plan where I want my eyes to be, because that's where we want to focus, right? So, I'm going to put this little piece of tape here. That's my marker. So, looking through this lens, all we're doing is finding our focus. We've got the still camera all set up. I'm going to push the shutter, get in position, we'll see what happens. Not in love with the framing. It's a little bit too far away, so I'm going to move my tape up because I want a little bit tighter of a crop. Remember, it's the coronavirus, so you got plenty of time. Have fun with it. Just looking for our tape now. I'm going to manually set focus. Now I should add, this lens does open up to 1.2. That doesn't necessarily mean that you have to open it wide up. Right now, it's wide open. We're just going to see what happens. We might shut it down to 2.0, I don't know. Well, let's see what we get. Okay, couple things right off the bat. Focus is actually pretty good. It's a little off, but not bad. Not bad. Enough though that I am going to close my aperture. Going to 2.5. And just because of the nature of the composition I'm trying to set up, we're going to raise the camera up a little bit. I'm a little taller than the framing that I had. Thanks for the game. We're double checking our focus. Should be a lot easier now with aperture of f2.0. Or sorry, 2.5. So let's try it again. So to reiterate, tripod, camera, self-timer, gaff tape. That's all you need. It's a lot easier if you have remote triggers. But we're in a weird spot with our global economy right now. So why wait for triggers to be shipped? You don't even need gaff tape, just use a marker, use something to help you set focus where you need it to be and give your spot a place where you can line up your eyeline. because that's really what matters. As long as your eyes are in focus, the rest of the picture will come together. You can always recrop, reframe. You can adjust that in post, and we will. But if your eyes are out of focus, then you only have so much to do. But if your eyes are out of focus, then you can't really use the shot. So having a marker, having a self-timer, giving yourself a spot to pose. It's really not that hard.